Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your volunteer experience on your LinkedIn profile. So first you need to open up your LinkedIn on your browser or mobile app, and then here you need to click on your profile, click on your profile, and here you will see add profile section button. Click on add profile section. So this will open up a pop-up. Here you need to go to additional section, and here on the top you will see add volunteer experience. Click on it, and here you need to write the organization name. For example, if I worked for YouTube, you can search for YouTube, and you can choose your role. You can choose the cause. Was it for health or environment or education? You are currently volunteering. Check this box. Here you can choose a start date, and here you can write the description and then click on save. And now if I refresh my profile and then scroll down, you will see the volunteering experience added to my profile. So this is how you can add volunteering experience on your profile. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next tutorial.